Malacanang is hopeful that the International Tribunal's ruling on whether or not it has jurisdiction to hear the West Philippine Sea issue will be favorable to the country. Nel Maribojoc, tell us why.
Malacanang remains hopeful that the ruling of the Arbitral Tribunal in The Hague, the Netherlands, on the territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea during the hearings on jurisdiction and admissibility issues will end up to be in favor of the Philippines. According to Deputy Presidential spokesperson Abigail Valte, they took advantage of every opportunity to present, defend, and strengthen the country's position on the issue. The Philippines emphasized that China's claim on historic rights cannot serve as basis, which is beyond the limitations set by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Secondly, China's so-called 9-dash line has no basis whatsoever under international law. Aside from this, some maritime features relied upon by China as basis of its claims in the South China Sea are not islands, to give them entitlement to an exclusive economic zone or continental shelf, and that ongoing reclamation activity of China has no basis. The Philippines also argued that China breached the UNCLOS by interfering with the sovereign rights and jurisdiction of the Philippines, and the destruction of regional marine environment through illegal fishing, which is also a breach of the convention. The tribunal has given China the chance to answer or comment to these arguments through writing until August 17, 2015. According to Valte, who is part of the delegation to The Hague, the ruling of the tribunal may be released in 2 months. If the decision of the tribunal on the jurisdiction issue will be favorable for the Philippines, the merit of the case will be the next to be heard. Nel Maribojoc, reporting for Y News.